Hey guys, changing the type of game talks a little bit this time. Thought I'd record a video. So in one of our earlier episodes, I talked about colors and the importance it plays in your scenes, be it games or films. Today let's talk about lighting, because that is also another important aspect. Lighting plays an important role in your scenes, be it games or film sequences. Like I mentioned last time, filmmakers use a combination of orange and blue lights with scenes which contain human subjects, because those two colors are very great with the human skin tone. I highly recommend you to check out the comparison videos of something like the Xbox One X and the Xbox Series X. To fairly compare these systems, I'd suggest that you try to find videos which play the same game on both the systems, which should give you a good idea of how they are. Now, I'm not talking about graphics or anything, okay? If the game has been optimized for the Xbox Series X, the difference that you will see apart from the improved graphics is the lighting. Realistic lighting. It's using what is called ray tracing. Lighting helps us differentiate between what looks like a video game and what looks realistic. Of course, there are a bunch of other factors in this particular differentiation. The actual quality of graphics, models, that's your 3D models or 2D models, whatever game it may be, the resolution of the game, and of course the display through which you are watching the gameplay or playing the video game itself greatly matters, because as you may know, displays have rated colors. So some displays cannot show all the colors in the world, and for good reason too. You don't need each and every display to show each and every color in the world. So yes, the quality of the display also matters. But for the sake of this argument, let's say that all of those things are exactly the same. So you have a world-class display, you have world-class graphics, and you have world-class 3D models. The only thing different is the lighting. Now, light reflections tell a huge story, especially if there are watery liquids in your scene. Now, one example that I can give you that will highly reflect upon this is reflections is what makes characters in sport games look sweaty after the end of the match. Notice that. It's how the light bounces off the skin around, suppose, say around the nose or the forehead or the cheeks, the reflections, right? And it's the light reflections which make water look terrible or the best thing you've ever seen. Which is why light plays a major role in your scene. With the right combination of colors and good use of lights, you can tell good stories greatly. Duller colors and lights can be used to depict sad moods, whereas brighter colors and lights can be used to depict happier moods. And you can use a whole bunch of combinations of anything in between these to depict exactly the type of mood that you want based on what is going on in the scene. Okay, I hope this was informative. A little different, I know, this time. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this one or you prefer the older method of reading. Check out my other IGTV videos. I do one every Saturday about different topics. One week I try to stay on things related to game development, and one week I try to stay on things happening in the gaming industry. So it's quite alternative. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. See you guys next time.